My warm greetings to you all guys watching this video, in which I'm going to talk about absolutely incredible supplement, researched and formulated in Switzerland by famous MF3 brand and called NMN Cell Revitalizer. And from the Lab RMS brand, it is called Liposomal NMN Ultra Booster. This supplement is also available in the European Wellness Retreat Centers, where it is known as NAD+ Activator. Similar to the Swiss Natura supplements, this supplement is also formulated as a liquid liposomal supplement. Liposomes used in this formulation are the micro-sized spherical vesicles with phospholipid bilayer covering it, 1.25 micrometer in size and hydrophilic content. Such combination provides the high therapeutic efficacy in delivering required active ingredients into our body. Apart from that, our NMN formula is using the exclusive advanced mitochondria-targeted liposomal delivery technology, specifically designed to transport active ingredients directly to the mitochondria inside the cells. These mitochondria-targeted liposomes are enriched with TPP, the triphenylphosphonium bromide, using phosphatidylcholine as an anchor to target delivery of active ingredients straight into the mitochondria. TPP is used because it is positively charged to promote endosomal escape and provide delivery of active ingredients to the negatively charged mitochondria. The advanced mitochondria-targeted liposomal delivery technology allows instant absorption as soon as the supplement is taken sublingually. It prevents active ingredients from degradation in the digestive tract and subsequently enables the direct targeted delivery of the active ingredients into the mitochondria. Such technology makes the intake of the supplement easy and convenient when you can either take it sublingually or add it to your favorite drinks or food, and allows dose adjustment according to your needs and comfort. So, what is the main active ingredient in the MF3 NMN Cell Revitalizer and the NMN Ultra Booster from Lab RMS? The main ingredient in this supplement is NMN, the Nicotinamide Mononucleotide. NMN is the biological, naturally occurring molecule that inside the cells of our body acts as the precursor for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, the NAD+, which is an essential coenzyme required for life and cellular functions. NAD+ is a catalyst for many biochemical reactions inside the cells. NAD+ plays a crucial role in the electron transport chain in the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle occurs inside mitochondria and is the main and the most effective method of producing cellular energy inside the cell and by the cell. How does NAD+ work? Its mechanism of action can be compared with the battery. It transfers electrons between molecules and donates electrons to the biologically active molecules that require it to produce various biochemical reactions inside the cells. The biochemical reactions that depend on the NAD+ are responsible for the vital biochemical pathways in our body, such as gene expression, cell signaling, repair of the damaged DNA, and enzymatic activity. Speaking of the DNA damage, there is one specific, very important enzyme called poly-ADP ribose polymerase, whose main function is to continuously repair damages occurring in the DNA due to various intrinsic and environmental factors. Unfortunately, as we age, we experience the decrease of the levels of the NAD+ in our cells. That, in its turn, negatively affects our ability to constantly repair the damages occurring in the DNA. And the repair of the DNA is performed by the proteins called Sirtuins. Sirtuins were quite recently discovered, and they represent a group of enzymes proteins which play a vital role in maintaining cellular health, participating in cellular stress responses and damage repair. They are involved in aging process, insulin secretion and insulin sensitivity, aging process and aging-related health conditions such as metabolic syndrome, diabetes type 2, neurodegenerative diseases, and many others. Scientific data coming from the University of Harvard indicates that increasing NAD+ levels may slow down or even reverse aging. In order to understand the role of NMN supplementation in boosting the NAD levels and thus producing the age-reversing effect, let's look into the NAD synthesis pathways. There are two pathways: the de novo pathway, when NAD is produced from the tryptophan molecules via the quinolinic acid and nicotinic acid mononucleotide. The alternative pathway, so-called the salvage pathway, is realized through either nicotinamide or nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide mononucleotide, the NMN, which with the help of ATP converts into the NAD+, the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. I want to emphasize again that these reactions are happening inside every cell of living organism, inside mitochondria, which is the main power plant producing energy in our cells, and are absolutely crucial for cell survival and cellular function practically at every second of life. So what does NMN do in terms of its biological effect? NMN, being a precursor of NAD, increases oxidative phosphorylation that helps to optimize mitochondrial function and produce more cellular energy. As a result, it prolongs the lifespan of the cells, hence provides the direct age reversal effect. Here we come to the second active ingredient in the NMN cell revitalizer from MF3 and the NMN Ultra Booster from Lab RMS, the Phyto-White Tripeptide. This tripeptide comprises of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine, with a gamma peptide linkage between the carboxyl group of the glutamate side chain and cysteine as a master antioxidant that exists naturally in the body while plays many essential roles in the body, including cellular protection against cellular damage. This ingredient is one of the finest for aiding DNA repair, protein synthesis, amino acids transport, as well as activation of enzymes. It is one of the keys for the survival of cells, shielding from endogenous and exogenous reactive oxygen species, the free radicals. It is an essential molecule for mitochondrial functioning. Similar to NAD+, this gamma-glutamyl cysteine glycine tripeptide levels in the body decreases with time due to aging. Supplementation of these has regulatory properties as an antioxidant. It naturally offers protection against aging process. And the third active ingredient of this wonderful age-reversing liposomal supplement NMN Cell Revitalizer from MF3 and the NMN Ultra Booster from LabRMS is Resveratrol. Previously, I've done a separate video on Resveratrol, which you can view on my Instagram channel and my YouTube channel Global Biohack Alliance. The therapeutic effects of this ingredient include extending lifespan via increasing Sirtuin 1, or in short Sirt1, activity, contributing to the rising or increasing of Sirt1 affinity for NAD+. Resveratrol is highly beneficial to the cardiovascular system by means of increasing levels of nitric oxide production, decrease activities of endothelins, so it's the vasoactive peptides, as well as lowering levels of low-density lipoprotein, the LDL, the bad cholesterol. Additionally, it has potential benefits on Alzheimer's disease by breaking down beta-amyloid plaque and has direct impact on neural tissue. Other essential benefits include obtaining the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects as well. Don't forget other benefits of resveratrol, such as increasing insulin sensitivity, hence the protective action against diabetes type 2 and metabolic syndrome as a whole. Important to mention also that resveratrol potentiates effects of other ingredients in this amazing liposomal supplement. Particularly, it enhances the effects of Phyto-White Tripeptide and strengthens mitochondria's protection against oxidative stress and free radicals. The fourth biological active component of the NMN Cell Revitalizer from MF3 and the NMN Ultra Booster from LabRMS is also an incredibly important compound called pyroquinoline quinone, or PQQ in short. PQQ is a well-known, highly essential nutrient that is present in the body's cells. PQQ reacts with Phyto-White Tripeptide and reduces to its reduced form PQQH2 to exert a potent antioxidative action, which, by the way, is 7.5 times stronger than that of vitamin C. It acts as a buffer for tissues by regulating redox reactions in the body. PQQ affects energy-related metabolism and neurological functions in the body while holding anti-inflammatory properties. PQQ also possesses the ability to stimulate production of new mitochondria and sustain its morphology, paired with its beneficial anti-diabetic effects as well as neuroprotective properties. A study published in journal Acta Pharmacologica Sinica, the APS in short, in 2014, demonstrates the protective effect of PQQ against the damage produced by the high sugar levels on the brain cells. By improving brain energy metabolism, PQQ can help protect against cognitive decline, stroke, excitotoxicity, and neuronal damage caused by the high blood sugar. PQQ encourages the brain to operate at its highest potential while optimizing the regenerative processes and scavenging on damaged cells. A study conducted in Sagami Chemical Research Center in Kanagawa, Japan, shows that PQQ stimulates nerve growth factor. It's a key protein involved in the growth and survival of neurons, the brain cells. So PQQ not only stops neuronal damage, but also stimulates new neuronal growth. To summarize the most prominent beneficial biochemical effects of NMN Cell Revitalizer from MF3 and the NMN Ultra Booster from LabRMS, these groundbreaking formulation triggers cellular rejuvenation by restoring mitochondrial function. As we have already learned, the more energy is produced in the cellular power plant, the mitochondria, the more is the lifespan of the cells and the less is cellular death. Hence, the second biological effect of these liposomal supplements is the increase in longevity of the entire organism. Along with that, this formulation repairs and in the same time prevents further damage of the DNA, improves metabolism and helps to improve body composition by reducing formation of adipocytes, the fat cells, and increasing energy production in the muscle cells. What can I say? Right in the bullseye, a direct anti-aging and rejuvenating effect. Support and repair of the DNA plus increase in cellular energy production and boosting their metabolism. Who can use these supplements and are there any limitations? The ingredients of this formulation are proven to be safe and effective in a number of separate clinical trials. These supplements are 100% free from preservatives or any chemical additives. They are 100% vegan, non-GMO, alcohol-free and gluten-free. Suitable practically for all individuals 18 years of age and above, can be used across different countries, cultures and religions. It is advisable to consult your physician prior to taking this supplement if you are pregnant or currently breastfeeding. The liquid liposomal technology allows easy dose adjustment and guarantees superb bioavailability. This formulation is very stable, can be stored at the room temperature and is not photosensitive. How to administer these liposomal supplements? Simply take 30 drops of the supplements, which is equivalent to 2 milliliters, mix in 100 milliliters of plain water and drink immediately, preferably after meals, and don't forget to do it daily. Dosage intake is adjustable throughout the day. You can take 10 drops after breakfast, 10 drops after lunch and 10 drops after dinner for a total of 30 drops per day. In that way, you will allow your body to keep a constant, stable level of the active biological ingredients in your system. For more information about the supplements, check out the website www.mf3swiss.com and www.laborms.com. And remember, whatever happens, try your best to stay healthy, be alive and have fun. It was Dr. Dmitrok Local with you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.